Is your Amazon ad account a mess? In today's video, I'll show you how archiving campaigns keeps your ads clean and profitable. So first, you're going to log into your Amazon advertising console, and then what you're going to do is just look at the campaigns that maybe you accidentally turn on or you don't want to ever turn on again just because they're so bad. Now, what you can do is you can click on that campaign and you're going to click archive. Once you archive it, you can't turn it back on. But the good thing is you can monitor, you can see how it used to do. So the good thing about this is if there's a campaign that did extremely bad in the past, you can archive it. That way you never accidentally turn it back on. Your employees never accidentally turn it back on. But you can see what keywords caused the campaign to be bad. So you can go back and still look at the campaign. So you just click archive right here. Another thing that you can do is archive keywords within a campaign. So if we're doing a campaign right here, and maybe you have 40 keywords in a campaign and only 2 keywords are doing good, what we can do is actually we're going to right click and open one of the campaigns. Okay, let's say we don't want to archive the entire campaign, but you can click on total targets right here. And if we have 40 keywords in one campaign, what we can do is archive all of them except for maybe 2. So I can actually come into here and then I can archive any keywords, any products or categories I'm targeting. So I can archive that. So that way any keywords I'm targeting, I can also remove so we never target them again. The good news is, again, you can come back and see, hey, why did I archive this? And then change the date, change the data, and you can see, oh, I archived it because it did so bad 3 months ago. It cost me $10,000 or something insane, right? So that's pretty much how you can archive campaigns. And this is a great way to organize it, especially what happens sometimes is some of your bad campaigns automatically turn back on. You're like, oh my God, they turned back on. Don't let them turn back on. Archive them so you never have to run them again. But just be aware, once you archive them, you can't unarchive them, right? But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon advertising management service. This is where we organize your ads, we manage your ads every single day, make sure your cost per click is going down, your ACoS is going down, your spend is going down, and your sales are going up. We're here to help you save time, money, and increase sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.